In front of me is Nubia Z60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. Begin by opening settings and clicking on display. Then scroll down and click on auto rotate screen. Now you can click on this switcher at the top next to auto rotate screen to switch it off or on. If you want to, you can also go into tab menu and look for auto rotation shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is blue, which means that auto rotation is on. To switch it off, click the same one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!